Welcome sisters, welcome back to my channel. For today I'm coming at you with 3 basic or everyday hijab styles. The styles that I always wear and where I always get the most questions of to film a video on them. So here you go, I put all of them or 3 of them in this video. These are the styles that I always wear every day because they are just easy, simple, fast, and they look nice. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I create these styles, then stay tuned. So I don't know if my lighting changed, but I also wanted to include this little quote for maybe for some sisters that are struggling with wearing the hijab or are not wearing it yet but really want to wear it. I really wanted to share this quote, and the quote is, "The sun doesn't lose its beauty when it's covered by clouds." So that's the same with us wearing a scarf and cover ourselves with clothing. So you can do this, sister. And now if you want to learn how I do these easy styles, then stay tuned. So for the first hijab style, I'm going to use this scarf by Morochi or Moroshi. I hope I pronounce I'm so bad at pronouncing Arabic names, but from Neda, she came out with some really beautiful scarves. So for this first style, I'm going to have one shorter side and one long side. And by the way, this cap is from by Aisha, and I'm just going to clip it like usual with one of these pins. This is what I use, but you can use whatever you like to use. These just really work for me. And then the long piece is going to go around my head, and I'm going to place it a little bit in the middle. Make sure you don't put it too tight because your double chin will be more visible, so try to avoid that. And then I'm going to go in with these little pins. I like to use these more than the ones without this little ball on it. This is holding it a little bit more in place, because with the other ones I feel like sometimes they just go through the scarf and then it's not really secure. So I'm going to go in with the bobby pin. Bobby pin. Wait, is this a bobby pin? This is not a bobby pin. Just this little pin, and I'm going to zigzag, is that how you say that, into the scarf so that it will stay there. And then what you can do is also, or what you actually have to do with the chiffon scarves, is put the pin also in the back of your head, because it will slide off. So now it's totally secured. This is my favorite style at the moment. This here is my go-to scarf at the moment, and I love it. For the next look, I'm also wearing a chiffon scarf. From this one, I don't know what the brand is. I don't know what brand this is, but it is a chiffon. For this one, I'm going to have a short and a long piece. Difference is not too much. This side also has to be long. This is actually maybe the most simple scarf that you can do. I've just put the scarf a little bit to the back. And then I'm going in with a little pin again, and I'm going to just stick it here. And now I'm just going to grab the long piece, and I'm just going to go around. You can just see for yourself if you like it a little bit more like this. This is also nice if you want to wear necklaces, because you can still like show a little bit of a necklace. And then you can also just pull it a little and wear it like this. Sorry, I'm using a new camera, and every time looking up, I really have to get used to looking straight into the camera. I'm sorry. This is basically the second style. Super easy, super simple. I wish I knew these styles when I was just wearing, when I just started wearing my scarf, because I deleted all the pictures of the scarves I was wearing, and it looked, oh my god, it looked so terrible. So for the last style, I'm going to use this, I think they call this a crepe, right? A crepe fabric, chiffon crepe. I'm not sure if that's the exact name, but for this style I don't like the cap to be shown. So it's going a little bit like this. I'm going to clip it. Okay, now it's really covering my forehead. I know it's big, but we can show a little bit of that. And then it's really simple, because now I'm just going to bring this one to this side and this one to this side, and then just going to make sure. Whoa. Oh my god, the sun is out of nowhere shining. What is happening? We are in the Netherlands. That doesn't happen. No. Time for chocolate. This style is actually looking really classy, and it's just the most basic style that you can do, or the most simple style that you can do. So yeah, I hope this video was a little helpful. For the girls that want to start wearing a hijab, may Allah make it easy for you. If you're ready for it, just do it. It feels really good. And yeah, please like this video if you guys want to see more hijab tutorials. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.